Hey friends, wanted to come on and show you how the brassicas are coming along since we are heading into the second week of November and we'll be getting snow within the next few days. So I hope you enjoy. All right guys, so let's take a look at the cabbage patch. As you can see, everything is looking really nice and full and healthy, green and lush. They've really picked up quite a bit of size since the last time I showed you, even this one that was teeny tiny before, and this one is starting to head up. They're all looking great. These are early Jersey Wakefield cabbage, and I'll try to insert a pic so you can see what they look like when they get to their full maturity. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you back soon.